Firstly, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with your instructor of the cyber law, Ali Reza Lagari at the University of Southern Punjab, Multan. We already discussed in the previous classes that PICA Act 2016. PICA Act 2016 already discussed that plays a significant role, pivotal role to controlling, to preventing the cyber crimes and as well as penalize the cyber crimes which is committed in the Pakistan. The PICA Act 2016 when is applicable when any person which is violate or infringement the law which is fall under the digital devices, security or internet devices or any technologies. If any crime or any offenses which is committed through the tool used as a device, computer, network or internet in a Pakistan will be punished under the PICA Act 2016. Already decided the nature, what is the nature? Nature is a change to dynamic nature which is timely change to change. Now we discuss the scope of the PICA Act 2016 कि ये जो 2016 का स्कोप है ये क्या है कि पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल now we discuss regarding the extent territorial jurisdiction in every law which is made by the Pakistan is government of the Pakistan, state of the Pakistan कि लॉ का जो पहला सेक्शन होता है वो एक्सटेंट होता है विच मीन्स कि ये कहाँ किस हद तक जो है वो अप्लाई होता है तो ये अप्लाइज टू द होल ऑफ द पाकिस्तान एंड अप्लाइज टू द सिटीजन ऑफ द पाकिस्तान and residents of the Pakistan regardless of their physical location if the offense impacts of the Pakistan. Now citizen of Pakistan, these are the two terms used regarding the application of the cyber law. One is the residents of the Pakistan, यानी कि citizen of the Pakistan. Second one is the citizen of Pakistan, second is residency of the Pakistan. These are the two different terms in the under the law. Citizen of Pakistan जो पाकिस्तान का permanently citizen हो. एक other words is the residence, यानी कि जो पाकिस्तान में बिजनेस की वजह से रेजिडेंस है, किसी जॉब की वजह से रेजिडेंस है, टेम्पररी रेजिडेंस है, विजिटिंग रेजिडेंस है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एम्प्लॉय रेजिडेंस है, टेम्पररी रेजिडेंस है, वो भी अगर कोई ऑफेंस कमिट थ्रू द साइबर क्राइम में अगर वो आता है will be, should be punished, should be enforceable, should be implemented of the law under the PICA Act 2016. उस फॉरेन शख्स के लिए भी PICA Act एप्लीकेबल हो जाएगा ड्यू टू द रेजिडेंस ऑफ द पाकिस्तान. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्सटेंड टू दी देन साइबर लॉ का जो स्कोप है, PICA Act का जो स्कोप है पाकिस्तान में टू कंट्रोल द क्राइम. Which crime? Which type of the crime? Cyber crime, digital crime, which is through the use of the technologies का offense committed or an act which is committed which is prohibited by the law or which is the illegal under the law. अगर वही offense commit किया जाता है तो PICA Act 2016 का ये स्कोप है कि उस साइबर क्राइम को पाकिस्तान में एप्लीकेबल हो जाएगा वो PICA Act 2016. उसके बाद साइबर सिक्योरिटी को इंक्रीज करना इसका स्कोप है कि पाकिस्तान में जो है वो साइबर जो है सिक्योरिटी है वहाँ पे ये अप्लाई हो जाएगा कि यू हैव इनहांस द साइबर सिक्योरिटी इन द पाकिस्तान रिगार्डिंग द ऑनलाइन डिवाइसेस एक्स्ट्रा एंड साइबर टू कंट्रोल द साइबर टेररिज्म. यानी कि PICA Act plays a significant roles, plays a pivotal role regarding the cyber terrorism in the Pakistan. If the cyber terrorism increased in the Pakistan, the PICA Act plays a significant role regarding the controlling, preventing or availing the cyber terrorism. And secondly, online harassment and blackmailing. The one is the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role to control the online harassment extra. Database breaches, for example, privacy breaches, privacy already discussed. The privacy is the basic or the fundamental rights which is given by the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973, protection of the privacy, so that under the data breaches, the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role. If any criminal which is fall under the data breaches should be punished under the PICA Act 2016. Such as electronic fraud, forgery, hate speeches, or unethical speeches regarding another person. Thirdly, the unauthorized access to the data or the system. The 2016 legal frameworks in the Pakistan to control the unauthorized access to data or the systems extend to the any person or organization or the corporating using a digital means, which means that the PICA Act 2016 is not applicable only to the individual person, but also applicable under the group of the persons or organization or the legal firms or multinational company or the private company, limited company, or the public limited company, which means that the PICA Act 2016 apply in both the individuals or group of the persons or any organizations. And the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role regarding the controlling of the cyber crime in the Pakistan, to prevent the cyber crime in the Pakistan, to enhance the security of the Pakistan, to enhance the digital user devices in the Pakistan, e-commerce in the Pakistan, and investors of the e-commerce in the Pakistan. That is the role of the cyber law in the Pakistan is called the PICA Act 2016. And to abet a cyber crime, the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role regarding the abetting of the cybercrime, which means that any person who abet means instigation, adding of any something or any illegal device, any illegal act which is used to the committing of the crime is called abetting, which means that the PICA Act plays a significant role regarding the abetting of the cyber crime. And the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role regarding the committing of the crime in Pakistan. If any person, any foreign person or any foreign residency person which is live in the temporary in the Pakistan who committed the crime in the Pakistan, the PICA Act plays a significant role regarding the controlling of the cyber crimes and through the punishment, through the implementation of this act or the sections. And the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role to protect the data devices, privacy data, or the unethical speeches. Now we discuss regarding the salient features of the PICA Act 2016, some of the important features, some of the fundamental principles, some of the fundamental rules, some of the fundamental principles regarding the PICA Act 2016. The definition of the electronic crimes. PICA Act 2016 give electronic crimes कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्राइम्स को डिफाइंड करने के लिए पीका एक्ट में कुछ डेफिनेशंस क्लॉज दिए गए हैं. दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट definition under the electronic crimes under the PICA Act 2016. And PICA Act 2016 empowered the competent authority regarding the investigation of the cybercrime. Now what is the investigation? Investigation is the find out the truth and false. When any offense is committing, the competent authority plays a significant role to collect the evidence regarding the criminal activity, regarding the incident of violation of the cybercrime, committing of the cybercrime under the PICA Act 2016, which means that PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role regarding the procedure of the collection of the evidence. Also, PICA Act mentioned that when an investigation once time is collected should be submitted before the competent competent court, and also establishment of the special courts regarding the trial of the cyber crimes, committing of the cyber crimes. For example, special courts. What is the special courts and traditional courts? Traditional courts deal such as the traditional crimes like a murder, like a theft, like a dacoity, extra. Special courts, what is special courts? Which means that the government of the Pakistan, state of the Pakistan established some special courts regarding the some special cases, regarding the violation of the some special offenses, regarding the committing of the cyber crimes is called the special courts. Special courts, what is the legal play, what is the role of the courts under the controlling of the crime? The courts plays a significant role regarding the finding of the truth and false. Data protection. The PICA Act 2016 also main services provides the services regarding the protection of the private data, individual data of the individual, data of the organization, data of the any companies, any institutions for the time being period. And protection of the women and the children also plays a significant role of the protection of the women and the children regarding the harassment, online harassment, regarding the harassment through the email, regarding the technology, modern technologies of the harassment, and provision against the unethical speech. Criminalizes of the PICA Act plays a significant role regarding the unethical words used through the any social media, any form device technologies, network technologies such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, something else, so that the PICA Act 2016 in the Pakistan plays a significant role regarding the unethical speech written form, that is called in the law is the defamation. And also penalties. What is the legal term of the penalties? Penalties means punishment. We had discussed that definition of the law of the John Austin said that law is the command of the sovereign, which is backed by the section, which means that without punishment, law is null and void. जहाँ पे law नहीं, जहाँ पे punishment law में नहीं होगा, वहाँ पे law को null और void declare किया जाएगा. इसलिए इस पे लॉ ने जो है साइबर लॉ में जो पीका एक्ट है 2016 उसने प्रोवाइड की हैं पेनल्टीज, प्रोवाइड की हैं पनिशमेंट रिगार्डिंग द कमिटिंग ऑफ द साइबर crime. If any person who committed who violation the cyber law should be punished under the PICA Act 2016. और वो punishments different offenses की, different crimes की, different ही punishments हैं. ये एक सेम punishments नहीं है. These are the depends on the nature of the offense कि उस criminal ने, cyber criminal ने which type of the offense जो है वो commit किया. And then international cooperation and also the PICA Act 2016 plays a significant role regarding the international cyber crimes, criminals, etc. And third one is the data protection in the Pakistan. Investors जो हैं online जो हैं उनको इनकी data को protect करता है, उनकी internet devices को protect करता है, उनको motivate करता है, plays a significant role regarding the motivation of the investment. यानी कि आपके साथ अब यानी कि plays a significant role regarding the rules, regulations, fundamental principles regarding the fundamental laws regarding the cyber crimes, which means the PICA Act 2016 का जो main scope है the set of the fundamental principles regarding the devices, modern devices, technologies और मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजीज़ और एंड अदर इंटरनेट कनेक्टेड डिवाइसेस को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, उसको सिक्योर करने के लिए पीका एक्ट 2016 में जो है वो एक कानून बनाया गया कि पाकिस्तान में जो मॉडर्न डिवाइसेस के थ्रू क्राइम इंक्रीज़ होते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड साइबर क्राइम्स, या कोई ऐसा एक्ट विच इज़ प्रोहिबिटेड भी लॉ, या कोई ऐसा एक्ट जो लॉ ने इसको प्रोहिबिट किया गया हो और उसके अगेंस्ट में कोई पनिशमेंट मुकर्रर किया गया हो, तो ऐसे कानून के लिए, ऐसे क्रिमिनल के लिए पीका एक्ट 2016 का मेन रोल है. स्कोप इसका ये है कि ये स्कोप नेचर डायनामिक नेचर का है, टाइम टू टाइम ये चेंज होता रहता है, टाइम टू टाइम इसको चेंज करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू नेचर ऑफ द ऑफेंसेस। फॉर एग्जांपल 2016 में एक ऑफेंस का 3 साल सज़ा था, 2018 में वो इंक्रीज होकर 8 साल हो गया है। दैट इज़ द डायनामिक नेचर, फिक्स नेचर का ये पीका एक्ट 2000 नहीं है, ये इन द एक्सटेंट टू द होल ऑफ पाकिस्तान है। बट इफ एनी पर्सन वो इज़ टेम्पररी रेजिडेंस इन द पाकिस्तान सच एज ए फॉरेन फॉर द जॉब के लिए टेम्पररी रेजिडेंस है, विजिटर है, या वो साइबर सिक्योरिटी के थ्रू या साइबर क्राइम कमिट कर लेता है, इज आल्सो एप्लीकेबल, एनफोर्सेबल और आल्सो चार्जेबल अंडर द पीका एक्ट 2016। थैंक यू सो मच। Inshallah we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much.